Dear students, this is human physiology. Human physiology for class 11th biology. In the paper physiology subject. The chapter which we are dealing this time, that is excreted products and their elimination. This is the structure of a human kidney or mammalian kidney. There are two mammalian kidneys, a pair of mammalian kidneys located below the abdominal cavity attached to the muscular wall near the vertebral column. So far the structure of the kidney is concerned, this is the portion of hilum or hilus, from which blood vessels, renal artery as well as the ureters open. So far the internal structure of the kidney is concerned, a kidney is composed of numerous microscopic coiled tubules called nephrons or uriniferous tubules. The nephrons are held together by connective tissue, all enveloped by a firm capsule of white fibrous tissue. This is firm white fibrous tissue capsule that surrounds each kidney. Outside the capsule is a layer of fat. Here, outside the capsule is a layer of fat that surrounds each kidney. This fat is made up of adipose capsule followed by a fibrous membrane, the renal fascia. The fibrous capsule, adipose capsule, and the renal fascia are protective coats of the kidney. Each kidney opens outside to a long tube-like structure. This tube-like structure is called as ureter. Besides, there are two blood vessels, renal artery and renal vein. The renal artery supplies fresh blood, oxygenated blood, from the aortic arch from the heart, which supplies the kidneys for filtration, and the renal vein returns the impure blood or the deoxygenated blood. The oxygen is utilized in the kidneys and deoxygenated blood is returned to the body, ultimately to the heart. But so far the kidney function is concerned, the renal artery supplies blood that contains waste products, and renal vein contains blood that does not contain waste products, because kidney is responsible for the excretion of the filtration of the waste products and the excretion to outside. Each kidney opens to outside by a ureter, ultimately to a tube-like balloon-like structure. That balloon-like structure is called as urinary bladder. Later on, the urinary bladder opens outside, that is called as urethra, through which the urine is thrown out of the body. From the hilum of each kidney emerges a cylinder, whitish tube. This is cylinder, whitish tube called the ureter. Within the kidney, the ureter is expanded to form the renal pelvis. This forms the renal pelvis. The ureters are about 25 centimeters long. These are 25 centimeters long up to the urinary bladder. Their wall consists of transitional epithelium surrounded by a layer of muscle fibers, followed by a layer of fibrous connective tissue. The ureters run downward along the muscles of the back, a short distance from median line at the lower end of the abdomen. They bend inward and open into the urinary bladder through its hind dorsal wall. Here is located the urinary bladder to which this ureter opens. So far the urinary bladder is concerned, it is a median pear-shaped sac situated in the lower or pelvic region of the abdominal cavity within the front or ventral body wall. It has a thick, muscular, distensible wall lined by transitional epithelium. The urinary bladder opens outside by an opening. That opening is called as urethra. Urethra starts from the lower part of neck of the urinary bladder and leads to the exterior. In females, it is quite short, only about 3 to 5 centimeters. So far the blood supply is concerned, a kidney receives the blood by a renal artery. That renal artery arises from the dorsal aorta. In the kidney, the renal artery divides and subdivides to send an efferent arteriole into each Bowman's capsule. Here the efferent arteriole forms a globular bunch of about 50 parallel capillaries called the glomerulus. These glomerulus and Bowman's capsule cannot be seen in this structure because they are microscopic or minute structures. Each kidney is drained to outside by a renal vein. That renal vein carries the blood which is free of the wastes. This is all about, to some extent, the anatomical structure of the mammalian kidney.